Ladies and gentlemen, the Baby Yoda cocktail. Okay, did you watch The Mandalorian? It is good. Ice in our glass, okay, little Tipsy logo on the side. Come behind that with some rum. Now guys, the ingredients of this drink could be whatever you want. That's Captain Morgan next. Okay, you don't have to make it the way we make it. What you really need is a green drink. That's pineapple juice, okay? And how many of you watched The Mandalorian? Loved it? I mean, to be honest, if Baby Yoda wasn't in this, I don't know if we'd really be talking about this series as much, because he really makes it. Yeah, The Mandalorian's cool, this is the way, but Baby Yoda makes it even cooler. Those are grapes we put in there for the eyes. And the crazy thing with Disney, right, is now that The Mandalorian's done, I already unsubscribe, okay? Because The Mandalorian coming back now till another year from now, so yeah, I'll see you in about a year, Disney. Pour in, okay? I mean, I could go watch Snow White, I guess. Kind of freaky, but whatever.
Stay tipsy. This is the way.